The first thing we will learn in this video is the my block. So the my blocks are very important for competitions, especially because when you are making any program for the competition, then the program becomes very big, and if you are able to convert multiple blocks into a single block, then it is very useful for us. So my block palette you can see at the bottom of the screen. So it is blank now. So as we have not created any my block, so it is blank. So let's try creating one my block, how we can do it. So for that I am dragging a few move steering blocks. So for example, going forward one rotation, turning right one rotation, and then coming back one rotation. Now we have to convert this program into a my block. So for that you have to select the blocks which you want to convert into a my block. So like this we can select. So you have to keep one point in mind that whenever you are creating a my block, you should not select the play block along with the blocks which you want to convert into a my block. So I have selected these three blocks, and then you have to go to tools and then click on my block builder, and then you will get one option to write name. So for example, I'll write ABC, and you can also write the description for your program, and then you have the icon for the my block. So by default this image is selected. You can change whatever icon you want for your my block, and then you can click on finish here. And if you observe this my block, you can see this plus button. So this plus button is used for adding extra parameters. So we will learn about this later in this video. So now let's click on finish, and after clicking on finish, it will convert the program into a single my block. And now if you go to the my block section, you will see your my block in that, and if you put your mouse pointer on that block, you will see the name of the my block, ABC, what we gave. And in case if you want to do some changes in your program, then what you have to do is you just need to double click on the my block, and it will open the original program, and then you can do the required changes. So if I want to add one more move steering in this, so it will change in the my block also. So if you go back to the my block where we have created the my block, so if you play this program, it will perform all four blocks what we have changed in the my block. So you just need to double click on the block, and then you can do the required changes, and it will be applied to the main my block. So this is how you can create the my block.